Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be about editing on CapCut. Alright, we have a lot of editing software out there, but the truth is CapCut is really nice and simple for beginners, and we also have InShot, but this particular video is for CapCut. Disclaimer: I am not a pro, but trust me, I know one or two basic tricks I can show you on CapCut. And gone are the days where they tell you upload your videos just like that, you're going to get views. Dump that trash. You need to present your videos, at least do something really nice and decent on your videos. Step up your game, guys. YouTube is competitive, nobody's playing here, so you need to learn one or two basic tricks. And you know what, practice makes perfect. The more you do something, the better you get at it. When I started, I knew nothing. When I mean nothing, I mean nothing about editing, but somehow we are trying now. Okay guys, so let's just go straight into this video, and I have a very interesting part. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. The first 10 persons that are going to comment on this video, guess what guys, I'm going to be giving you a free thumbnail. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be giving out free thumbnails. Remember, I am not a pro, but I know my way around some decent thumbnail and all of that stuff. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. So let's go straight into this video. So I'm going to be giving you guys a screenshot. Please watch this video step by step so you don't miss any single step in this particular video. All right, so let's go together. Let's just call this a tutorial video. Okay guys, let's just go straight into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you all how to do this with your smartphone. Okay, so I actually edit all my videos using my smartphone. So let me go to my CapCut app. These are my favorite app. Okay, so I'm gonna click on CapCut, and this is the interface you're going to see. So once you see this, you're going to create a new project. All right, so let's say a new project. So as a creator, I have a lot of videos in my phone, so let's just pick a video to work on. Okay, let's pick this particular video. Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. So guys, we're going to add video, this. I'm going to be sharing. So here you're going to see trim. So let me pause this video. Now, if you want to trim your videos before adding it to the platform, you can do that here. But we're going to get to this part that says trim. Okay, so let's add this clip. Now, if you add this clip, the first thing you want to do is to go to your aspect ratio. So what is your aspect ratio? Let's get this right. You see this aspect ratio here. It shows you different social media platform where you can actually customize your videos. So here we have for TikTok, if you want it to be in a TikTok form, Instagram form. So this particular one is for YouTube, so you're going to go for the 16:9 ratio. So always make sure you keep your videos like this. Very, very important. Okay, now you're going to select that. So after selecting your aspect ratio, the next basic thing you need to know is the trimming and splitting. Okay, I'm going to add the both of them together because they actually work for same purpose. All right, so let's say this video I want to trim something out. So this is the clip right here. So once I click on this clip and I want to trim, so I can just drag with my hand, and once I get here, if I don't like this portion of the video, I'm just going to click here, and you see this portion for split. You click on split, and you see this portion. If you want to delete, you can just go ahead and delete. I hope you guys understand. Now, when we talk about trimming, it is a little bit different from splitting. It's more like you're just trying to reduce the size of the video. Okay, so let's say I want to reduce the size of this video. I'm just going to drag and drag and drag and drag. That's more like trimming the video. I hope you guys understand this about trimming and splitting. It's very simple, guys. If you don't like a portion of this video, especially when you're editing, you're talking things that are not supposed to be in that video, so you just want to trim it out. So you just click on the clip and you're going to see the option for split, and you just go ahead and delete. I just hope this comes out really easy. Now the next thing you're going to learn is text, adding text to your video. So you can see here the portion for text. You're going to click on that. Let's go back so you guys can see properly. You see this T, you click on text. So imagine I want to include text to this portion of this video. So I'm just going to click here, text. Now let's say I'm going to say editing. Let's just say editing. Okay, all right. So you can drag to increase the length. So if you don't want to leave this like this, you want to make your text really fancy, yes, we have the portion for template. Now you can go through different templates. So guys, I want you to understand that CapCut has a standard plan, premium plan, and all of those plans. Okay, so if you're using the free version, you can have access to some fonts and templates. So for this particular one, I'm actually using a standard plan. So let's say I want to use this particular template. So I'm just going to click on that. Now, so guys, you see is looking fancy, right? You can drag to any portion. I like editing my phone because it's really comfortable for me, and it makes editing really simple and easy. So you can drag as much as you want. So you can try different templates. It goes on and on and on. All right, so try as much as you can. Here we have trending, we have social media. For some of us that want to add subscribe, anything you want to add, CapCut really makes it easy. So if you want to change the font, still on text, like you want to change the font, you can do that here. Oh, I just hope my network makes this really easy for us. So while that is loading, you can go, let's go back to the fonts. Okay, while that is loading, let's go to styles. So here in styles, you can change. You see, if I click on any of this, it keeps changing. So guys, editing is all about creativity and being creative. And the more you do this thing, the better you get at it. So you can increase the size, you can reduce the opacity. Here you can increase size. Okay, so let's say here we have effects. Maybe I want to add an effect to it. Everything boils down to just being creative. Okay, so you can try every feature out. So guys, still on text, you see this animation part. All right, so the animation part is all about how you want your video, the text to come in. So if you want it to bounce in, it's going to bounce in. Okay, if you want it to come in like zoom, oh sorry, that was typewriter. Okay, it's going to type in. All right, if you want it to zoom out, the text will just zoom in. So guys, editing is really about being creative. You can try out all the animations here. Remember, practice makes perfect. So any way you want your text to come in, this particular feature is going to help you to do that. Okay, so this is just like the basics you just need to know for text. Okay, so now for the next thing you need to know is how to add captions to your video. So now you're just going to go for caption, and remember guys, like I said, if you want to get access to most of the features, you just need to buy at least subscribe for the lowest plan. I understand some of us find it difficult, but you can actually get a very cheap plan. Okay, so this is for caption. So once you click on this caption, you're going to see here different templates. All right, so you just want to go through the one you like and you prefer. All right, most times I actually like this particular one, the quick brown fox. So I'm just going to click on this particular one and minimize down. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to generate. All right, just click on generate, and it's going to take some time and generate every single thing you say in this video. All right, so just give this some time and make sure that your data is on, like you have an internet connection connected. All right, so when it's 99%, we're just going to allow that to load because it's still generating the caption. Okay, so right here you're going to see it has generated every single thing. So I'm just going to reduce the volume of whatever I'm saying here, or rather just mute it. So once you play, let me go back. Okay, you play this, you're going to see the caption coming in. So if you want to edit this caption, you can just click on it. Maybe the words are not correct. You see this part that says edit caption, you click on it. So here you see section by section, and if you feel like okay, you need to adjust the word here, just go ahead and do that. So all of this I'm trying to show you are just the basic things you need to know. You know, you just cannot know everything in one day. All right, so the more you try this out, the better you get at it, guys. It's really simple. So after captions, now I want us to go to effects. I want to show you guys effects. Okay, so this particular part is where you have your effects. You're going to see here we have video effects. So let's say I want to add any of these effects to my video, like rolling. Let's try this, guys. You see, you click on this one, explosion, guys. You see, so guys, you're going to be seeing different kinds of effects. It all depends on your preference, what you want. So you can go ahead and check out as much as you can. This is trending. We have opening and closing effect, we have nightclub, we have lens, we have light effects, depending on what kind of video you're creating. All right, so just go around, practice and all of that. Don't do too much, don't add too many effect and all these things, so you're editing to not start looking funny. So guys, just go ahead and see the one you like. So you can see here, I think blur selected, and I don't want that, so you can just go ahead and delete. So that is it for effects. So now let's go over to this particular one I like a lot, overlay. So you want to add another clip to your video, more like adding a screenshot, or you want to add something to the video so that people can see, like an illustrative stuff. You're trying to show them something, and this actually works for this reaction videos and all of that. So just go ahead and click on overlay. So we're going to add. So you go to your gallery, maybe you have something there you want to show them. Let's say I want to show this clip. Let me just get something. Okay, let me say I want to show this screen record. Okay, so I'm just going to add this. Now guys, you can see this is just showing at the center of my screen. So if you want to adjust this, you can just drag to any portion, any side you want this to show. While you're talking, you can drag in, drag out, drag in, drag out. That's one thing I like about editing with your phone. It's really seamless and quite simple. So after dragging, drag it to your taste, and this is it for overlay. So there are other things you can actually do with overlay, like increase the volume of whatever it is that you've imported, reducing it. You can still do some minimal and minor editing to your overlay as well. Okay, so guys, this is it for overlay. It's not rocket science, very simple. Now let's go over to the next basic thing I want to show you guys here. Is called voice over and music. All right, you can see here for audio. Let's say you want to add a voiceover on this particular video, like you didn't say anything, you want to add a voiceover. You're going to click on record, and the moment you click on record, you're just going to tap or press and hold to record. So you just tap on it, it's going to count, and now I'm going to be talking. All right, so this is recording already, and once I'm done, I'm just going to tap on it, and that's it. So you can see here the wave is showing you voice 1. Okay, so let's say you want to listen to what you've recorded, so you can just play it and see. Now I'm going to be talking. All right, so this is recording already, and once I'm done, I'm just going to... Okay, so you guys can see everything I was saying was being voiced. So that's like for voiceover. So let's go for the sound. You want to add music sound, so you click on this sound, and sound is something that is very delicate on YouTube, so you need to be very careful about the kind of sounds you want to add. Anyway, CapCut has a lot of sound, but you just need to be very sure that any sound you're uploading on your videos do not have any copyright claim. Okay, so if you want to know how to get free copyright sounds, let me know in the comment section. I will tell you how to get them. So you can actually choose sounds you already have in your device, okay, and you can actually upload anyone. So this is just for sound. It's really simple, it's not hard. Okay guys, now the last part of this particular video I want you guys to know is filters. Now if you want to add filters to this video, let's go over to adjust. You're going to click on adjust. Before then, let's go over to the main filters. This is filters. All right, so if you want to change how this video looks, you see this is tan, clear, glow, like this is vibrant. There are just different options. Gingerbread, so you can choose anyone you want. So here we have for movies, you can choose this one if you like, you can choose this one if you want. So it all depends on the kind of filter you want on your video. So guys, you can play around with this. It's really simple. So once you're done, let's say maybe I like this particular one, I just click on this, I add it, and that's it. So all through the video, you're going to see that the video's filter has changed. Now for adjust, I'm just going to add this particular one. If you don't want to use filter, you just want to adjust, they are different. In fact, you need to take your time to understand this particular one. We have brightness. If I want to increase the brightness, contrast, saturation. See guys, honestly, you just need to play around these things and see which ones suit your preference, and everything really works out easily. So guys, these are just some basic things you need to know about CapCut, but trust me, there are a lot and a lot and a lot about CapCut. Okay, but for the basics, you just need to learn and work on this particular ones. And I hope you guys find this helpful. So if this video is something you love to watch, and if you find this video really helpful, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.